Who doesn't love a meatball curry? Today I'm going to show you a vegan alternative which is absolutely delicious. I've got all my ingredients ready here, so let's go through them. Okay, so of course we have our vegan meatballs. I've got onions here which are chopped, garam masala, dry fenugreek, ginger and garlic paste, some fresh coriander, black pepper, turmeric powder, chilli powder, cumin and coriander powder, tomato puree, whole cumin, some salt, cooking oil, red pepper, bay leaves, fresh chilies also, and we've got Alpro coconut and Alpro plain coconut, which is a yogurt alternative, and they're both plant-based. So here I've got frozen meatballs. You can also use vegan mince as well. For that, you need to just season that with your own spices. And I have got a recipe for meatball curry, so you can check that out. I will link that up. So what we're going to be doing is heating this through. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just going to pop this in my pot here. I'm going to add some oil and heat them through. And then we're just going to throw in our meatballs. I'm just going to keep my heat on medium. And we're just going to cover this. These are done, guys, and they're looking great. So now we're going to move on to making the curry. So in our pan we're going to throw in our onions, whole cumin, green chilies and bay leaves. And then we're just going to give that a stir, and we're going to fry these until they're nice and golden. Okay, so the onions are now ready. We've only just started and my kitchen is smelling so good right now. Now we're going to add in some spices, and we're also going to add ginger and garlic paste first. So let's just add that in. The dried fenugreek, now this really adds to the flavour, so we're going to throw that in. Black pepper. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, now you can add more or less, it's up to you how spicy you want it, coriander and cumin powder, and the tomato puree. And then we're just going to mix all this together. So we're just going to cook through all the spices and the ginger and garlic paste as well. So our onions and spices are mixed in nicely, and now that's ready. Now normally for the base I would add water, but I'm going to be adding in Alpro coconut, which will also give us that extra coconut flavour which most of us love in a curry. Now I'm going to add in about a cup. So in that goes, and then we're just going to mix this together. I've just tried some and this already tastes amazing, but I'm going to be adding in a little bit more. And just mix that in. And now we're going to add in a few tablespoons of Alpro plain coconut yogurt alternative, which will give it that thick, creamy curry texture. The curry's been bubbling away for 2-3 minutes, and now we're going to add in our meatballs. I've got garam masala here. Now this is going to make our dish really fragrant, so we're just going to add a pinch. And also I've got some chopped peppers, and this is going to give it that lovely colour and crunch. And to finish our meatball curry, I'm going to sprinkle over some coriander. We're all done. Our curry looks beautiful and colourful, and it smells great. You can serve it with rice or naan, so let's plate it up. Try it out, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoy this, please do give me a thumbs up, and to see more delicious recipes, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.